Hi, my name is Corbin Patton, and we're going to go through a quick video setting up a rendering. So you've got your building to a point that you're happy with. The next step is you want to set up a rendering. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to one of your floor plans, and we're going to go up here to the View tab, and we're going to click this little arrow under there, and we're going to go to Camera View. We're going to click the camera view somewhere kind of out here and then drag it so that these lines go past the end of the building. And in this project there is some phasing going on, so we're just going to go to Previous and New. Just going to check and just see if phase complete is different. I'll go to phase complete, and then we're going to turn on some sun here. We'll use a specific location. That location's actually set up here under project information, and you can set the location in here. We're not going to bother doing that for right now, but we're also going to turn on shadows, and we're going to go into sun settings here, and we want probably something like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then we're going to go up here into graphics display options, and we're going to turn on ambient shadows. We're going to go down to lighting, and we're going to make the ambient light a lot stronger than everything else, and that they're just going to be softer shadows. And now we're going to go up to the View tab, and right here is the Render in Cloud button. So if you have your account set up, students can actually set up a free account if you go to students.autodesk.com, or in my case I have a paid account through my company, so I can do Render in Cloud that way. For this purpose we'll just click Render here, and we'll do a medium render. I'm just going to pause the video. And so the quick rendering finished, and here's what we have. It's a little bit grainy, it's not perfect, but I only rendered it on medium. You can increase the rendering settings right here. Sky is a bit of a preference. I'm a big fan of not putting a sky in the rendering. And the reason why is then you could Photoshop a sky in later. Just gives you more flexibility. But you know, anything else is kind of fine. That's how to set up a rendering.